Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. If you're actually new here, my name is Didy. I'm a makeup artist, a beauty educator. I'm a mom to the beautiful girls of the whole world. So this video is about Good Friday. Is a recap on Good Friday. Yeah, I know Easter is over, but here this video has to go up. We just need to do a little recap. Yeah, and I didn't actually know that there is a Catholic church very close to my house. On this day, on my way to church, I saw a procession. I was like, oh, so there's actually a Catholic church just right by the corner of my house. I was like, okay, I already made up my mind. I was going to my parish. My parish was at DGC and I had to take the bus. Man, I was sweating. Like, transportation system in Lagos is just so poor. Like, I was sweating. I got to church, then I had to trek the distance from the bus stop, as in the gate, to where my parish is a distance. Like, there is no transportation there. But finally, I got to church. I didn't meet the opening of the mass, but I met the procession. So during Lent season, we do have stations of the cross every Wednesdays and Fridays. In some parish, it's just on Friday. But here at my parish at VGC, we actually have it on Fridays. So today being Good Friday, the last day of Stations of the Cross, ah, it comes with a little drama display from the procession, from the 14th step, representing the 14th step Jesus took before he died, like from the crucifixion, everything, how Judas betrayed him, how Simon the Syrian helped him to carry the cross. They're going to display everything in a drama in a drama scene, and it helps us to reflect back on how Jesus suffered for us. This was the time where they brought him, and where they brought Barnabas. They had to, and the people picked Barnabas to be saved instead of Jesus. Yeah, the scripture said he was sent down to earth for a purpose, to die for us, to redeem us of our sin. But man, if you see, even for some people watching this, some people, their hands were on their mouth, like they were like, God, actually we had to go through this. So yeah, they were flogging him there, but they didn't actually hit him like really hard though. It was not like big big, but they had to, like, display it in a reality sense. So this was when Mary came to meet him, and yeah, the mass was over. I didn't stay for the main Good Friday service. I had to go home to my daughter because her nanny was going, and nobody was there to look after her. Getting home, I had to cook a sauce, because on Good Friday you can't actually eat meat, anything made of meat. So I couldn't even eat anything that was in my fridge on that day. So I had to make like a mini fish sauce for everybody at home, and potato. So we had it with potato. Yeah. Hi guys. So yeah, this is what I'm having. Today is Good Friday, and we can't eat meat. I'm a Catholic, a devoted Catholic. We can't eat meat. As we're rounding up Lent, I've been doing this like since the beginning of Lent. Today marks 40 days of Lent season. This whole week from
Monday till up to um let me say Sunday, Holy Week in church. So today was fasting day, but unfortunately I couldn't fast today. Man, the hunger was real. I thought I would be able to do it, but I couldn't. I had to even eat something before going to church. And when I was in church, I almost fainted. Like my eyes were turning me. I had to sit down because we were walking like from one station to another. So it's 14 stations. So that means the 14th step Jesus took before he died. Yes. So the stations of the cross, that's what it represents. Okay, so those people that are Catholic, they will understand. Yeah, I'm not really good like deep into it right now. So this video is about Holy Week, especially today, Good Friday. Yeah, I hope you guys went to church, even those that are not Catholic. Some people that are not even Catholic, I see them participating during Lent season with some Catholics. Yeah, because maybe they kind of understand what Lent season means, you know. And I was glad that I participated very well during this Lent, even though I missed some dates. Mama, nice. Mama, you want? Look, this one will never eat anything. So, even though I missed some dates, I made sure that I prayed my rosary. So I was following Father James online on Instagram, our early morning rosary novena. We had two novenas, one to St. John and one to Mary the Oduwa of the North. I participated again. I am so glad that this Lent season somehow I use it as a reflection at the beginning of the year. Yet it helps me, position my life with God. You get my faith. It helps me bring myself closer to my faith, especially know exactly. Maybe there are some things that I would have forgotten along the line. This Lent season reminds you, you understand, of all those things, and there is abstinence, alms giving, thanksgiving. This period is a period to give alms, as in, so with the little I had, I was able to, participate in certain things, you get, and I'm really glad, you know, some things, especially I told God this Lent season that I wasn't going to procrastinate. Things that I think about, I'm going to do it. And so far, I've been trying my best. Even when I'm tired and I'm like, I'm not going to do this thing, especially this YouTube. I've been saying I will do it. I want to get back, but a lot of things keep holding me back. Either my phone is not good, or there's no space on my phone, and stuff like that, or I'm as in just busy for one reason or the other, trying to be a mom to Kiara, trying to understand my life. I'm just like, why I should ace this YouTube thing by now, but so far I am here, and I'm glad that I'm here, and I'm doing this. I'm actually glad. So if you're just coming to my channel for the first time, my name is Ediri Igoroje. I'm the brand owner of Didy Signature. I'm a makeup artist. Um, what we do here on this channel, if you're just coming here, what we do, I share makeup videos. I share my, my lifestyle. Even if it might be boring, but yeah, my lifestyle video, makeup hacks. If I've not really shared some makeup videos, but I'm really really working on doing that. I share um there's something I want to introduce, but I'm still working on it. I don't want to talk about it yet. I'm still working on it because it has really been a challenge for me. I'm still working on it. So basically, We do lifestyle, family, makeup, so if you like any of this content, you subscribe to my channel. Even if you don't like it, subscribe. You would like something, you would learn something here, you would enjoy something here. You understand? So yeah, I don't want this video to be too long. uh you know I'm trying to sorry, I'm trying to conquer my fear of talking. I love to talk, but like talking to camera is really a challenge for me. So this period, you guys give me some kudos because I've been trying my best to conquer that fear. Because sometimes when I start talking, maybe I start talking out of point, or the video is scattered and all that, and I'm like, I'm such a perfectionist. Maybe I would have done a video, and when I look at it, I'm like, oh, this video doesn't actually make sense. It has really been a challenge for me talking, like, and I really want to do some talking, like share some knowledge or have some gist for you guys. Yeah, I have some gist. My life is not that boring, right? I have some gist. So I hope that I'm able to meet up posting a lot of videos. So please hit the subscription button, turn on your post notifications so you know when next I post my video. uh, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.